Together, let's prepare the best fried bomboloni in the whole universe. They are very soft and they are very creamy, just like a cream-filled cloud. In a stand mixer, pour in the all-purpose flour, the bread flour, the sugar, and crumble in the brewer's yeast. Then, turn the stand mixer on and slowly pour in the water. Now beat the eggs and add them in a little at a time. Add salt too, and let the mixer continue for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the dough is elastic. You can see how the dough has perfectly pulled away from the sides of the bowl. And I can now add in the softened butter, just one piece at a time. I don't add the butter in all at once because it becomes very difficult to mix it in. After adding the last piece of butter, let the mixer continue to mix for another 10 minutes or so. That's enough. Take it out of the bowl. Now we will fold the dough over a few times. It's super soft. Put the dough in a covered bowl and let it rise for 3.5 hours. Our dough has risen perfectly. Look at how beautiful it is. Sprinkle just a bit of flour on the counter so the dough won't stick. Transfer the dough onto a pastry board. Now it's time to roll it out. Give it a roughly rectangular shape. And let's roll out the dough with our friend, the rolling pin. If the dough starts to shrink back too much, simply let it rest for a couple of minutes. Start by making the first fold. Fold it from the short side like this. Then cover it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 minutes. Free the dough and roll it out. Keep going until the dough has become a rectangle again. Now, unlike before, start folding from the outside. Cover it again and let it rest for another 10 minutes. One final round of folds and start folding it from the first side again. Now let the dough rest for another 10 minutes. Roll out the dough one last time. Now it's time to make our bomboloni. They will be 10 centimeters in size. To help prevent the bomboloni from shrinking too much once cut out, we will let the dough rest for about 10 more minutes. Let the bomboloni rest on baking paper for 90 minutes covered. Later, we'll talk about why you need the baking paper. Also, don't get rid of the remaining dough. We can cut it and fry it the same way, and maybe coat it in sugar. Ready to start frying, heat some vegetable oil to 160 to 170 degrees max. Now let's remove the first bomboloni from the baking paper, using some nice scissors. Using the baking paper, we won't get burnt, and it helps the bomboloni keep their shape. Ole. Using spoons, I'll give them the classic bath, meaning I will scoop hot oil on top as well, so that they brown evenly on all sides. The bomboloni are ready. I have let them cool off. Now we will fill them up with some custard and give them a nice sprinkle of icing sugar over top. Just look at these. Look how beautiful they are. And the time to taste them has finally arrived. They are very soft and super creamy. They're like a stuffed cloud. You guys have to make them too.
Ciao!